One short will pay you $100. Generating 2 short will pay you $200. And if you keep posting these viral AI shorts, it could potentially make you $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So get ready, because the AI tool that I'm going to show you will make you. Hey, what's going on, beautiful people of YouTube? I hope you are doing great, and you know what's more great is creating these viral AI shorts and printing hundreds of dollars for each short while you are sleeping. These types of AI shorts are getting super viral right now and getting tens of millions of views. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to record your voice or edit the videos, because the AI tool we're gonna be using will create this entire viral short with just a click of a button. So be prepared to have your mind blown away, because this life-changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1. Step 1 is to come here to this website called Perplexity AI. This tool is a competitor of ChatGPT, but the reason why you need this tool is because it has real-time data, whereas ChatGPT's information is current up to about 2 years ago and does not include real-time updates. So, we're going to ask this AI to give us trending viral YouTube short niches. Based on your prompt, this AI tool will show you the top viral niches that you can start your channel around. For this example, I'm going to choose a history fact niche, because recently I came across these shorts in the history facts niche, which are getting tens of millions of views. Step 2. Click the first link in the description below, and you'll be redirected to this website called Clipwise AI. Clipwise AI lets you easily create captivating animated videos for YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok with just a text prompt. This AI tool is specifically made for creating viral AI shorts. I mean, take a look at these AI shorts. They are getting tens of millions of views with these AI-generated videos. And this is exactly what Clipwise AI lets you to create. Click here to create your account. Once you create your account, this is what you're going to see. This is where you are going to describe the AI what type of video you want. I'm gonna come here to YouTube and find a video that is already viral. For example, these videos have more than 10 million views. So I'm gonna copy the title of this video and paste it over here. From here, it'll ask you to select a visual styles. There are many to choose from. You can also click here and see all the types of visuals they have and choose from here. But for this video, I'm gonna choose this one. Then, hit generate video, and it will start processing the images with scripts. From here, you can also edit the script and change it as you like, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna leave it as it is. From here, you can choose a variety of voice artists you like. For example, I'm gonna play this sample voice.
The heart has eyes which the brain knows nothing of.
You can also click on this button, and you'll get even more options. On the left side, you can filter out gender, age group, and accent. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select this voice artist. Then, hit next, and it's going to ask you to choose a background music, so I'm gonna play the sample. I kind of like this one, so I'm going to select it. Then scroll down, and from here you can also change the caption position from bottom to center. You can also change the caption color, as well as caption font. From here, you can also change some cool video overlays to give your video a little more visually engaging. You can also click on this play button to see how it's performing.
Prepare to be shocked. History isn't always what you learned in school.
Alright, so once everything dialed in, hit next, and it's going to take you up to 2 minutes to process the video. Once your video is ready, click on download button, and from here, download the video. Now let's take a look at it.
Prepare to be shocked. History isn't always what you learned in school. We all know the stories, the heroes, the villains. But what if I told you there's a whole...
Awesome. As you can see, the video quality is absolutely amazing. Now this tool is in fact a paid tool. If you go to their pricing section, it's going to cost you $25 a month for 40 HD videos with unlimited audio and video settings, and $49 a month for 80 videos and $79 a month for 125 videos. Luckily, I managed to get a deal with the developer of this tool to give my subscribers an extra 15% discount. So if you click the special discount link in the description below, use the coupon code INSIDER15 in your checkout. This is going to give you 15% off. Now, if you want to learn how ordinary people are making up to $13,698 a day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend you to go to insider10x.com and download this free ebook that will show you how ordinary people are making up to $13,698 per day.